For the metalworking industry, Kennametal is a very known name. To understand the Kennametal's offers in this sector, fastener sector, I'm having with me Mr. M T Swamy. He's the regional leader, APAC, ex-China for Kennametal in this business industry sector. Uh, we know in the metalworking, cutting tools from metal, Kennametal is very known and one of the leading brand. Fasteners and Kennametal. So I would like to know more about it.
Yeah, it's a good question you're asking us, because Kennametal as such is a very strong player in the metal cutting industry. Just to make it simple, wherever there is material removal through turning, milling, drilling, we are a very strong player. Kennametal is also a very strong player in the wear-resistant solutions, where we increase the productivity or reliability of components. So as you know, in fastener manufacturing, what you see is there are different stages in which the product is made for either the bolt or the nut, a multi-stage forming application. And typically the customers use dies for this process, where you form different parts. During this process, whenever there is mass production, you will see that the steel dies wear out faster, which means that the machine needs to be stopped, you need to change the dies, and that leads to a lot of loss in productivity, right? So what Kennametal does is it gives the same die in tungsten carbide. And as you know, tungsten carbide is a very hard material. It has the property of retaining its hardness at very high temperatures. So wherever you are having a steel die, if you use a carbide die, you typically get an 8 to 10 time improvement in life, which means that your productivity has gone up, your reliability is high, and also the cost of production for you, for the customer, would be very less. So that's an explanation on why Kennametal is in the Fastnex per se. So we have displayed here all the cold heading dies, cold heading pellets, tube drawing dies, bar drawing dies, the punches used in the fastener manufacturing industry. So that's the relation between fastener industry and Kennametal. And we are a very strong player in India, not now. For the last 40 years, we have been a significant player in this industry, helping customers to increase productivity. While that is one part of the story, Kennametal is a very strong player in multiple other segments as well. Just to give you some examples, mining, in coal mining, in construction industry, for the foundation drilling, road rehabilitation. We play in the engineered solutions industry, mainly oil and gas. You see automotive, we have just explained to you. Refineries and petrochemicals, steel industry, power. So anywhere basically there is wear, Kennametal is the solution provider. Wherever there is mass production, we would come in, try and replace the steel dies with the carbide dies to enhance the productivity and reduce the cost, increase the reliability.
We also have seen that the fasteners, the need also is with the 3C sector growing in India for be it a mobile phone, be it a laptop. What are the challenges fastener industry will be facing in bringing such kind of very precise fasteners?
So I think precision fasteners currently are getting imported into India. I think the challenge is going to be to have them manufactured in India. That will need the expertise in manufacturing high-end tools and dies that are needed in that industry. Kennametal can support in that arena. Whenever there is a need for high precision fasteners to be cold forged, Kennametal can provide the grade that is needed, as well as the engineering that is needed to design the product. Kennametal has always been looking at how we support customers. We continue to build capabilities which are voiced by the customers. So we do have a very strong engagement with customers. We listen to them and continue to build products, services, capabilities and capacities to meet the customer requirements in India.